Hey dear, welcome back to the channel. I am thrilled to have you here today as we dive into an informative tutorial.
It's formality, okay? Don't be impatient.
Okay, in this video we are going to explore a eccentric topic: how to send auto message on Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram, Viber, etc, etc. But remember, with great power comes great responsibilities. We will be talking about ethical ways to use automation. So if you are ready to have a listen and learn something new, let's jump right into it. Alright buddy, time to unleash the wow moment. Now I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of sending auto message using a Python module called PyAutoGUI. Don't worry, we will keep it simple and beginner friendly. We will write some code together and see it in action. Trust me, it's a blast. Before we jump into the coding corner, let's make sure we are all set up. Open up your favorite code editor. In my case, I am using Visual Studio Code. Now press Ctrl Ctrl+N to create a new file. We will need to install the PyAutoGUI module to work with automation. Open up the terminal and type pip3 install PyAutoGUI. I have downloaded the PyAutoGUI module, but in your case there's a terminal appearing and downloading dependencies, so don't panic and keep going. Once the installation is complete, you are ready to rock and code. Alright, let's explore the code. Start by importing the PyAutoGUI module by typing import PyAutoGUI. We are also going to need a bit of time control, so let's import the time module as well. Now we will create a brief delay using time.sleep and give it to 4, which adds a 4-second pause. Next, define a variable called count and set it to 0. This will help us to control our loop. Make a while loop, and within a loop, let's use the condition while count is less than, let's get 20. Okay, now it's time to start coding the message sending process. Type PyAutoGUI.typewrite and then type whatever you want. Let's type hey buddy, how you doing? After that, use PyAutoGUI.press and type enter under the double quote to send the message. If you do not give the enter command, it won't send your message. It will be printing without sending. To prepare for the next iteration, increment count by 1 with command count equal to count plus 1. But here's the thing, PyAutoGUI module prints exactly where your cursor is, so remember to position your cursor over the messenger app within those 4 seconds. This way the automation will work like a charm. Okay, now I open my messenger. Let me search my name first. Here we go. Bingo, it works man, it works. Wow, and that's a wrap for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed our clip with PyAutoGUI. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing the channel for more tech tips and fun tutorials. If you have any question or want to share your thoughts, drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keeping unique. This is Unique Adhikari signing off. Catch you later.